So today we come to chapter 1, talk about the measurements and the units. There are three basic physical quantities. The first one is the mass, symbolized with m, and has a unit kilogram, or just use kg. That's the unit. The second is about the length, symbolized by many different symbols, but today I'm going to use L. And the unit is a meter, or let m. The third is about time, symbolized with the letter T, and the unit is second, or S. So all those three basic units belongs to SI unit. That's international recognized unit system. Okay, in French is Système International. So we're all going to use those units. If you have different units, you have to convert to those units. Now the second about the unit conversion. The first type of unit conversion is about the prefixes. For example, you have 1 meter. You want to convert to centimeter, will be 100 centimeter. You want to come to millimeter, will be 1000 millimeter. Inversely, you'll be able to convert, for example, 1 centimeter is actually 100 meter, or 0.01 meter. So there are lots of prefixes conversion. Please go to the PowerPoint slide, find out the table. Another prefix frequently used is kilo. For example, 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. The second type of unit conversion is related to different unit system. For example, in United States, the length is measured by inch, foot, or yard. The conversion factor from inch to centimeter is 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. For example, how can you find out how many centimeter or how many meter in 1 foot, or how many feet in 1 meter? You need to use those kind of factors. Let's see how many feet in 1 meter. Let's do that conversion. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Well, you know, 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter. To convert centimeter to inch, you have to divide by that factor. You get that much of inch. And you know, the relation between inch and foot is 1 foot equal to 12 inch. So in that case, to convert the inch to the foot, you have to divide it by 12. Then continue. So 100 divided by 2.54 altogether, divided by 12, you get how many feet? So you calculate, you should get about 3.28 feet. Okay. Now the third type is a little more complicated. It's going to be the units developed from the 3 basic units. For example, velocity. Velocity V normally has a unit according to international system should be meter per second. That's a unit for length, that's a unit for time. However, you might get your speed meter in your vehicle reading the velocity or speed by mile per hour. For example, you may get something like 80 mile per hour. That's the velocity mile per hour. How can you convert that into meter per second? That's what we're going to use in our physical 110. You have to convert. To do that conversion, you're going to get this. V equal to 80 mile per hour and equal to 80 mile per hour. The conversion factor between mile and meter is, you're going to write over here, 1 mile equal to 1.609, sorry, 1,609 meter. That's 1,609 meter. So in that case, you're going to have 80 times 1,609 meter divided by 1 hour. You know, 1 hour is 6 minutes. Each minute is 60 seconds. Then you got that much of seconds. Then you do that calculation. You'll be able to get how many meter per second. So let me do that calculation. You're gonna have, let me see, 80 times 1,609 divided by 3,600 equal to 35.76 meter per second.